Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Create your Motion AI account, verify the email, and open a new project. Make sure you have a clear project name. Install the Motion AI CLI if you prefer terminal control, otherwise use the web console. Obtain the API key and prepare a webhook URL and a small sample payload. This lets you validate end-to-end messaging. Once done, store credentials securely and move to building the first flow. You now construct the core flow where intentions become behavior. Define intents and slots with representative utterances, because good samples make NLU accurate. Map incoming JSON fields to internal variables and attach webhook actions. Make sure to handle nonces, auth headers, and retries for transient failures. Implement conditional branches and timeouts so the bot can ask for clarification or escalate when needed. As you progress, test each node with the sample payload to catch. You finish by validating the full integration and hardening the deployment. Execute end-to-end tests including edge cases, simulate concurrent users, and review logs for unexpected nulls or parsing errors. Enable monitoring and alerts, schedule API key rotation, and export flow backups. Deploy to a staging environment first. Once stable, promote to production. If something breaks, start by inspecting webhook requests, JSON path mappings, and authorization headers. Fixing those usually resolves 80% of issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.